Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic of class 12, that is relation and function. So let's start. Relation and functions. So my first question is this. I hope you have learned this topic, relation, from class 11th. So what is relation? Basically, I want to give you an example. Through example, we can learn what is relation. Like your name and phone number. You have a number and you have a phone number. Are they related to each other? Yes or no? Yes, then it is relation. One more example. Um, your name and your surname, are they related to each other? Yes, then it is a relation. So in relation, if they, for example, there are two set A and B, if they are connected to each other, then this is called relation. So let's move on the next topic. So before moving on next thing, relation. So let me explain you the concept of Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a topic of class 11th. I hope you all remember this topic. Can anyone tell me what is Cartesian product? Anyone? So let me give you an example. We have a two set. Set 1 containing element 1, 2, 3, and set B contains element A comma B. Then we denote Cartesian product by A cross B. This is A cross B. This is a Cartesian product. So basically, what is the Cartesian product? It's all ordered pair of A cross B. So one is going to match with A, then one is going to match with B, one is going to match, two is going to match with B, then two with A, I forgot A, okay, then three with A, and three with B. So what is this? This is the all ordered pair of a Cartesian product. What is this? This is a Cartesian product. Cartesian product that we learn in class 11th. So, so a relation is the subset of a Cartesian product. If relation, we have a relation R, so R relation is a subset, or it can be equal to Cartesian product. It is equal to or subset of a Cartesian product. So relation is the subset. For example, is 1 comma A is a relation? Yes. Because why it is a relation? Because it is a subset of Cartesian product. Even we say R equal to 5. 5 means empty set or null set. It is also a type of relation that we are going to discuss on the coming topic. Okay. So this thing is a relation. Uh, Till then we have learned that what is a relation. Relation is the subset of a Cartesian product. Now move on the type of relation. Types of relation. Types of relation. So we have different type of relation. First one is empty relation. Empty relation. What is empty relation? A relation which does not contain any element, or void. We can say a set or relation that is void is known as empty relation. R equal to 5. 5 means no element. Second is universal relation. Universal relation. So basically, what is a universal relation? A relation which contain all the element, or all the ordered pair of a Cartesian product is known as universal relation. Basically, R in this R equal to A cross B. It contains all the element of the Cartesian product. Okay. The third one is identity relation. Identity relation. Identity relation. So what is the identity relation? from its name you can relate it that both the element is same, like in a pair here a comma a both are same. So this is the identity relation. But how we can write in the form of set? Here r equal to a comma a comma b belongs to r. So a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B. When a equal to b, if a equal to b, then it is an identity relation. Okay, we have three more relation. That is, first one is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. This is a very important because this is in detail in class 12th. So let's move on the topic. Okay, so give me a break for then I will start again. Okay, so now we are going to do the fourth type of relation, that is called reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. This is a very important topic for class 12th. So a relation, if a relation in A is connected with itself, then it is known as reflexive relation. For example, if A comma A belongs to R, where A belongs to set A. Okay. Uh, Let me give you an example. Example like this: 1 comma 1. This belongs to R. Then it is a reflexive relation. But then what is the difference between identity, as we done earlier, and reflexive relation? What is the difference between these two? Let me explain. Let us explain with an example. For example, we have a set A that contains element 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, if R equal to 1 comma 1, then it is a identity relation because both the element 1 and x ordered pair in ordered pair is same. Okay. So, but it is not a reflexive relation. Why? Because in reflexive relation, all the element should connected with itself. So is this then let me give you an example: 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and 3 comma 3. Now this is a reflexive relation because all the elements in the set are related to each other. If even one element is missing, then it would not be a reflexive relation. Like this, if here 2 and 3 both are missing, there is no ordered pair of 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. So it is not this one is not a reflexive relation. Okay, let's come on to the next topic, that is symmetric relation. Okay, symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. So what is a symmetric relation? If a comma b belongs to R, then if a comma b belongs to R, then is b if b comma a, such that if b comma a also belongs to R, then it is symmetric relation. For example, let me give an example. We have a relation R equal to 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1. Here 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Yes or no? Yes, it is. It is because this is the first condition, that always should belongs to R. But is like 2 comma 1 belongs to R? Yes. If 2 comma 1 belongs to R, if and only if this would belongs to R, then it is a symmetric relation. Like reflexive in symmetric, if any one ordered pair is missing, like if anything is not there, any element is missing, then it would be not a symmetric relation. Last one is transitive relation. Transitive relation. In this relation, suppose a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. If and only if a comma c belongs to R, then it is transitive relation. Let me give you a simple example. if suppose 1 comma 2 belongs to R in a set in a relation, and 2 comma 3 belongs to R, if and only if 1 comma 3 belongs to R, then only it is a transitive relation. So these three relations, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, they are very important for class 12th exam. So if a relation is all three, reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then we called it equivalence relation. What do we call it? Equivalence relation. Equivalence. Equivalence relation. Okay. Thank you.